Now we have made the basic setup of our chatbot, we need to make sure people are coming to our chatbot. And a great way to do this is by using MobileMonkey's chat starters. Chat starters are tools that we can use to grow the number of users in our chatbot. For example, we can make a ref link, and if people click on that link, they will go directly to our chatbot inside Facebook Messenger. So let's dive in and make our first chat starters in MobileMonkey.
As our first chat starter, we will start by making a landing page inside MobileMonkey. So we just go to Chatbot and it will automatically go to Chat Starters. And here we can click on Landing Page and add a new landing page. So we will first give this landing page a name. So landing page, and we will say welcome message. And this will go to a certain dialog. So we can specify the dialog here. So that will be the welcome message, and then we can make a different design. So this is like the standard design for every landing page. You can change the background, so you can make it blue, for example, but I really like the gray, so I think gray is good. We can add our own logo, so we here have our restaurant logo. We've added that logo. Then we can say learn more about our restaurant in Messenger. Then we can also change this text, but I will leave it by default now. And you can change also the alignment of the text to left or right or center. And you can also change the button text to alert me in Messenger, or send this to me, or receive this in Messenger. And the button text is predefined. This is not because of MobileMonkey, but this is because of Facebook Messenger. You only have these predefined buttons. So we can just click on save. And when you go to details, then we can just click on link. And then it goes to the landing page. And you can just share this link everywhere. You can share it in your email marketing campaigns, on your social media, maybe in the description of your YouTube video. And when someone clicks on receive this in Messenger, then in Messenger, it will automatically send the welcome message. So that is our first chat starter. It is the landing page. Our next chat starter will be the send to Messenger button. And we can just go to the chat starter again, and then we go to Facebook opt-in. And we can just click on Facebook opt-in. And here we have the send to Messenger button. So we also will give that a name, and we will let it go to the menu. And then this is the menu. And you need to add your domain to the whitelist. Usually this is already done. In my example, it's already done, but in a lot of cases it isn't. So if your domain is not added here, then add it yourself just by typing in your domain. And then you need to copy this code. But before you're going to publish this code on your website, you need to hit this button, activate. If you don't hit the activate button, the send to Messenger button will not appear on your website. So now we activated it. We clicked on copy code, and you can just send this code to a developer, but if you don't have time for a developer, or you don't have money for a developer, you can also do it yourself. So I think a lot of people use just a WordPress website, and I also use the WordPress website, so I used just a default WordPress website with Elementor in it. So we can just click on edit with Elementor, and that's really the benefit of Elementor, so that's just really easy to change your website. So here's some code that I added before. I will delete that for now, and here you got HTML element, which I will add, and you just can copy and paste this inside your homepage, and then we can preview the changes. And then if you scroll down, then you got here the send to Messenger button, and this will automatically send something to your Messenger. So if we go to Messenger right now, because it already knows I'm already logged in, then it says, oh, sorry, that's a different chat. Awesome, Joran, here are the most famous meals. Do you also want the complete menu? Yes. And then we get the complete menu in a PDF file. So that's working. So that's already our second chat starter, the send to messenger button. So our next chat starter will be the checkbox. And the checkbox is kind of similar to the send to messenger button, but you can only use it in flows. In forms. So go to Facebook opt-in, and then create Facebook opt-in and click Checkbox Plugin. So we will also give this a name, Checkbox Plugin Reservation. So this will go to the reservation, and this is the reservation flow, the reservation dialog. And now we got two kind of codes that we need to add to our website. So again, if you're not a developer, go to a developer. And if you think, oh, I can do it myself, just pay close attention. So it's not that hard, but you need to know what you need to do. So first we're going to copy this code. And this code is responsible for showing the checkbox. So we are going to copy it. And you need to use it in addition with a form. So I already got a form from ActiveCampaign. This is just some HTML which I got from my ActiveCampaign account, and it automatically generated an HTML form. And what you need to do is you need to set the Checkbox plugin between your email field and the sign up button. So here you can see your email, and here you can see sign up. So you know this is the sign up button and this is the input field for your email. So it needs to be in between there, so we just copy and paste it there. So that's the first thing we need to do, the first thing. But the second thing is we also need to copy this code. So we copy this, and then we need to search for the button. And we already found it. Here's the button, the sign up button. So what we do is we add something. We add on click is with parentheses, and then you just paste it there. Then we click on update. And there's still one thing we need to do, and that is activate the Checkbox plugin. If you don't activate the Checkbox plugin, it will not appear. So as an example, I didn't activate it before, will not appear. I refresh the page, and then you will see it there. It will appear there. Then I will just type in my first name and my email, click on send to messenger, and then click on sign up. And once you have done that, you will go to the reservation. So that is definitely working. So that's already our third chat starter, the Checkbox plugin. A little bit harder with the code, but I think it's still doable. And otherwise, you can just call a developer. So the last thing we need to do is the last chat starter we will cover in this video, which will be the share link. And the share link is extremely valuable because it's so simple. So we can just click on share link, and this will create a link that you can share on YouTube. You can share it on your social media posts. You can share it on your email marketing campaigns. Doesn't matter, but if the user goes to the link, it automatically goes to your chatbot. So, for example, we have the menu. We make a slug because we need to define a slug called menu. And then we can just copy this. And if we paste that in the URL, it automatically will go to Messenger, and it automatically will go to the chatbot. Of course, we want the menu. So there's still one thing left, and this is outside MobileMonkey. And it's also pretty awesome. If you Google it, you have the QR code generator. And this is extremely useful, especially because we're a restaurant, in this restaurant example. And if you just Google on QR code generator, you can click on the first result, And here you can say, okay, we want to refer to a website. So I'll refer to our chatbot. So this is the link that we use. It automatically generates a QR code, and you have all these kinds of settings. I will just leave it to default, but just to show you the possibilities, here we got here, scan me, shape and color. You can even add your own logo. Then you can download this, so it's automatically generating now. And then we can add it to our computer, and there is our QR code. And we can add this QR code, for example, in our restaurant, and people can scan it with their phone, and they automatically go to the menu. So it's extremely useful. This is really one of the best, and you use it in addition together with the link in MobileMonkey.
In the next few videos, I will discuss 3 special chat starters that allow you to have significant results with your chatbot. If you want more videos on how you can use chatbots in your marketing, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, and if you didn't do it yet, please hit the like button below.